Winter storms in New York are not just inconvenient. They can cause serious property damage in minutes. Frozen pipes, roof collapses, water damage, ice dams, and many homeowners don't realize their insurance claim could be at risk. When temperatures drop below freezing, water inside pipes can freeze and expand. This pressure is a ticking time bomb. This pressure can cause pipes to crack or burst, releasing water into your walls, ceilings, and floors before you even know it. The result? Thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars in property damage to your most valuable asset. But the real damage often begins after the ice melts. That's when the water truly starts to spread. Water migrates behind your walls, under your floors, and deep into your home's insulation, where it hides. By the time the damage finally becomes visible to the naked eye, the repair costs have already skyrocketed. Many homeowners assume their insurance will fully cover them, but the claims process is designed to be complicated. Insurance companies will investigate everything. Was the property heated? Were pipes maintained? Was it reported on time? Without the right representation, claims are often delayed, reduced, or even denied entirely. You need an advocate. This is where a public adjuster makes the difference. Unlike company adjusters, we work exclusively for you. Our job is to protect your interests, not the insurance company's bottom line. We find what they miss. At United Public Adjusters, we help you navigate the complexity. We start by inspecting the full extent of the damage. We review your policy in detail and negotiate directly with the insurance company so you don't have to. Our goal is simple: to help you receive the maximum settlement allowed under your specific insurance policy. Most importantly, we work on a contingency fee basis. This means there is absolutely no risk to you. We only get paid when you receive your settlement. Our success is directly tied to your successful recovery. Don't face the insurance process alone. If your property has been damaged by the storm, contact us today. United Public Adjusters. We're here to protect your interests and help you recover what you truly deserve.